everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Susan Timchak here, also known as Stampin' Sue Creates. I'm here to do a little unboxing with you today. Yesterday I received in the mail my August paper pumpkin, and it is called Blissful Blooms, and I was very excited. Be sure to stay to the end because I have some mail to share with you, some happy mail that I got yesterday as well. So all I did was I did snip the little piece of tape there, and I have to say I did see sneak peeks of this. It seemed like, and there goes my dog barking. What is with that? It seems like so many other people got their paper pumpkin before I got mine, and well, I mean, I like surprises, but I had to look. You know, it was like a train wreck. You have to keep looking. So something spooky this way comes. Don't miss out on next month's hauntingly fun box filled with frights and delights. Know someone who loves Halloween? Tell them to subscribe by September 10th if they dare. So I'm going to put the dare out there to you people with your that love Halloween. And I'll give you a little FYI. Sorry about the dog. It's going to be little treat things. So I'm going to be excited to take those treat things and turn them into other fun things too. So be sure to subscribe. Head on over to paperpumpkin.com. Choose me, Susan Timchak, as your demonstrator, and give it a try. See if it's something you'd like to enjoy. Again, there's the dog. I mean, I thought I had everything under control down there, but I think she hears me talking, and I think she thinks someone's here. Anyhow, let's check out the stamp set. Let's see, we have some flowers, some little stems. This almost looks like a heart to me. Let me put it here so you can kind of see. Almost looks like a heart, but I'm sure it's little petals and little starbursts there. And we have congratulations. We have a thank you, thinking of you. You make me so happy. And the loss is... Wait, hold on. The loss is immeasurable. I have to stamp that to see. Immeasurable, I think. But so is the love left behind. Unmemorable? I don't know. I'll have to see what it is. It's very small font, and I'm not young, so. And we have a Blackberry Bliss ink spot, so that's fun. So let's take a look inside. And how many of you get your paper pumpkin and you look at it and put it back in the box? No. I challenge you to open the box and to create with it. So don't put it away. All right, let's see what we have here today. We have the Blissful Blooms, August 2018. Be sure to check out a quick video that Stampin' Up! Puts together, pumpkinhowto.com, and it shows you how to put the project together. So here's all our goodies inside. Let me just open this up and see what we got. I mean, for 20 bucks, you got a stamp set, you have an ink pad, and you have all of these materials to make some fun projects. Okay, my trash can is over at the other desk, so I'll just put that there. We have a nice sheet of all these dimensionals, and we have envelopes, and look at these. Now, if you like these type of envelopes, you're going to love the holiday catalog when it comes out September 5th, because there's a kit that has these beautiful envelopes in there, and inside has printing on it as well. Let me just take a quick peek to see. Oh no, they're all different colors. Let's take a peek. There's 10 cards to make with this kit, so maybe there's 5 and 5 of these different colors. Yeah, I think that's where we're going. So we have 10, and these are full-size cards that you're making. Oh, well, I didn't even look at that. We'll look at that last, because I just wanted to get into it. Look at that. That is all printed on there. Is that not gorgeous? Just with a little sentiment on there. Look at that. Oh, I love this kit. And I do know that there will be refills for this as long as they're still available. So you'll want to check in about 2 weeks. If you're a subscriber, you should get an email to let you know when the refills are available. If you want to subscribe, you can go ahead after your subscription goes through and go back and purchase any of the past kits that are still available, which is great. So we have some punch-out tags and things. Look at, there's even this little circle thing in the center. I mean, don't throw that out. That could be a center of a flower. Oh, and here's the other 5. This is gorgeous too. I love this printed card front. I love that. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Here we have some vellum sheets. This one already came out. Look at that. Let's use the back of this so you can see that. Isn't that pretty? So how many sheets of that do we have? We have 1. Oh, and it's a nice weight vellum too. We have 2 sheets of those. And there's different leaves on here. Let me punch out. They come out real easy. But they are delicate. There's another one there. Don't you love them? 2 sheets of those. And then we have a sheet of these. This is like their regular vellum color. We have a sheet of those. So that's pretty too. And then our cardboard, which save those because you can do things with them as well. And then we have some of our adhesive dots. We also have this real pretty baker's twine. So it's pink and it has a silver going through it. That's stunning, and look at how that just color coordinates so well. And here we have our instruction sheet. So if you're not into reading, or you can just look at the visual photos, or you can go ahead on over to paperpumpkin.com how to and check out the video. But very simple to assemble. 4 steps. Love that. And here on the back it tells you exactly what's in your kit. And if you're wondering about the colors, they color coordinate with Blackberry Bliss, Flirty Flamingo, Lemon Lime Twist, and Old Olive. And they show you a picture there. If you're brand new to stamping and you receive your first paper pumpkin, you will get an acrylic block that you'll keep because you'll use that for all of your future paper pumpkin kits. And we are on a lot of social medias. My mind's not working. Social medias, including Pinterest, Facebook, and of course on stampinup.com/paperpumpkin, that you can check out a lot more other ideas. The Facebook group is really fun because the Facebook group is not only other demonstrators, it's also customers, so you can join that Facebook group, and there's always lots of inspiration on there. Well, I'm loving this kit. I hope you love it too. And if not, you can sign up, and don't forget the spooky set that's coming for next month. So I have some happy mail here, and all of these came from one person, Lisa, who is a part of if you've watched my previous videos, I've talked about the Stampin' Survivor. And she felt bad because she was late in sending out her cards. So she didn't just send out 1 card. She sent out 3. So let's take a look at them. I did look at them, and oh my gosh, Lisa, you did a fabulous job on these. This is a new set that's in the annual catalog, and it has a framelit to go with it that cuts out these puzzle pieces. And it just says, we just fit. And then inside, love you to pieces. Isn't that simply adorable? Do you not love that? I do. And here's the second one she sent. It's your day. And this is very cute. I have this set. We actually got this set at Onstage. And I love it. And it says, Wild About You. I think that's very pretty too. I love that one too. And then our final one, I just love this Dandelion Wishes. This is actually an online class I have going. I'm focusing on this stamp set. So you still have time if you're interested in the online class. Check out my YouTube video, which explains it all. You'll get the stamp set, and you'll get some self-adhesive sequins, and you'll get a free card kit in the mail along with your other goodies to create 4 cards. So I will provide a PDF for it, and there'll also be a YouTube video that will be private just for you, and you can stamp along with me. But I love how she did this. This is one of the new stamps in the catalog, and it resembles the bokeh technique. If you're familiar with bokeh, the stamp is actually etched to make it look just like bokeh. And it said, "I made a wish and you came true." Excuse me. And I think she did a great job, and I feel bad that she sent out 3 of them because I've only sent out 1, but she just felt bad because she was so late. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed the paper pumpkin unboxing. Be sure to head on over to my Facebook page at Stampin' Sue Creates and subscribe. I share a lot of information over there. You could also check me out on my online store at stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net, and also on Blogger at Stampin' Sue Creates. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this. I enjoyed you being here, and I hope to see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.